Your love.
Anyway, thank you so much for being here with me. It's been such an amazing journey. I'm gonna remember this for the rest.
Sa aking dasal.
Inyong papanood ang inyong favorite Kapamilya shows wherever you are, sa laptop or tablet.
Ako rin yun, yung most approved kiss, yung pinaka-memorable para sa akin. Oh, anong sample?